Let's watch. Again, as the Texas Twisters come in from your right. Let's get ready for the pitch out to land. Each aircraft banking at a different degree of bank. This will allow the aircraft to separate themselves in preparation for landing.
Yeah. Yep. How many are there? Can you count them?
Always a great sight to see these classic aircraft still in the air and flying in formation. And again, we want to thank the Texas Twisters for being a part of the 2010 Denton Air Show.
Here goes your yellow one.
And believe me, it's a lot of work to put together one of these air shows that you can come out and enjoy as the members of the Texas Twisters back down on the deck in the classic T-34s, painted in all different 26 coming in show center. Let's watch as she levels out the aircraft. A snap roll right at show center, again showing you the curved roll rate of the SU-26.
Go up.
Pulling back on the stick. The aircraft quickly climbs into the vertical. As she goes straight up, let's watch.
Spins again.
And the airspeed slowly but surely begins to bleed off on the aircraft.
Come back down.
And it's almost to zero. She kicks in the right rudder and performs the hammerhead.
Done one of those.
Half turn on.
I mean, I wasn't controlling. I was just in there. He let me fly a little bit.
And a lot of airspeed as she comes right at show center. Again, either on roll as she pulls back on the stick. The SU-26 begins to climb. I think this aircraft is used a lot for aerobatic competition, of course. It is designed to be as light as possible. No strength. 360 horsepower radial engine pushing the SU-26 through the hot, humid skies of Denton, Texas. In 1991, Julia was hired by a major airline as a flight engineer flying the Boeing 727. She has since been qualified as a first officer in the 727, the DC-10, and as a captain in the 727. Today, Julia is currently flying first officer aboard the Boeing 747.